Hey everybody, what's up? I'm back. So, we're in the garden, and I was telling you guys how I wanted to make a video about how I protect my winter sowing bottles from the frost and the snow. This pertains specifically to things like tomatoes and peppers and all of those frost tender plants that I plant in my winter sowing containers. So, I planted winter sowing containers in February, okay? A lot of this stuff has already germinated because we had a really warm spell in February. Right now it is March and we are predicted to have 6 inches of snow tonight. So what I'm going to do to prepare for this is I'm going to cover my bottles, all of my bottles, with a frost blanket. This technically isn't a frost blanket. This is some really cheap Agrabah fabric. This is insect fabric, so technically not a frost blanket. If you don't have a frost blanket, I'm sure you can use like an old sheet or something like that. So the first layer is going to be a frost cloth of some sort. And the second layer is just this, it's really cheap 6 mil plastic sheeting. I got it from the hardware store. It's not greenhouse sheeting. It's not anything fancy. I think this was $6 for this size to cover all this. So I'm going to put that over top of the frost blanket. I'm going to put some heavy stuff on it, make sure it doesn't blow away. But that's all I'm going to do. This should be enough to protect my seedlings. So far with my tomato seedlings, I've already had nights. I had a night down to 26. I did this same method. The seedlings were fine. The peppers were fine. The tomatillos were fine. Everything survived. On nights where it gets about 32 Fahrenheit, I might just use a frost blanket. It really just depends on the conditions in your garden. But I kind of generally stay with, the logic like it's better that it's too warm than too cold, obviously. And if all else fails, if you really are worried about whether or not your containers are going to make it, you can always bring them inside for a night or a couple nights. Just make sure they're getting that daylight during the day, the nice sunlight, so they don't get too big. I hope this video was somehow helpful. I know a lot of people ask me about it, like, can you show what this looks like when you're covering your bottles and things like that? Um, and it really is just, you gotta just do it kind of to get the hang of it, because it does, when you've never done it before, it seems like such a weird thing. Like, are you sure these tomatoes are gonna be okay? And it's definitely a little bit scary, especially since you already started all your seeds and you don't want to lose them. So if you have any questions, leave it down in the comments. I'd be happy to try to answer, or if you have experiences yourself, I'd be happy to hear about those as well. If you like this video and you're new to the channel, be sure to subscribe. I would love to have you. We're making new videos on the regular. Lots and lots and lots of gardening stuff. Trying to get to 10,000 subscribers this year. It would be so exciting. So be sure to tell your friends, share the video, anything you want to do, I guess. That would just be so helpful, and I'd be so thankful. I hope y'all are having a real great day, and I'll talk to y'all later. Bye.